Hi everyone, here we've got on our 10X Lite, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the battery section. Let's tap on it, and here we've got the battery percentage. Let's enter, and here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got do not show option applied, obviously because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar, but we can also set it next to the battery icon or inside the battery icon, so it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick, for example, next to the battery icon, and as you can see, it immediately appears next to the battery icon itself. Let's tap on inside the battery icon, and as you can see, it is transferred inside the battery icon, but let me pick this option. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your Honor 10X Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.